Didn't even ask me what I wanted. You made dumb assumptions. Clearly not your forte. Clearly.
Hey guys, this is Ginger or Jen Nicole. Welcome to or welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a clean with me and a install of my new Uva Stalks that I picked up from Hobby Lobby. So I'll be doing some light cleaning and folding of the clothes in this video. So if this sounds like something that you're interested in, go ahead, and for you new subscribers, go ahead and please don't forget to subscribe before you leave. And for my old subscribers, thank you for your continuous support. So yeah, I will be, of course, in the beginning, you see me making coffee. You guys know, if you know me, you know I love coffee and teas, and stuff like that. So yeah, so later on in the video, I'll pop back in and just let you guys know what I'm doing as far as the cleaning is concerned. And then later on, maybe in a couple of weeks, I'll probably have another video showing some of the decor. Well, once I pull it out, I have some fall harvest decor or Halloween decoration that I'm going to pull out or purchase so that I can install it for another video for the upcoming holidays. So yeah, so if this sounds like something that you are interested in, please stay tuned. Y'all, so I think I might just come back once I get all these clothes folded. I'm not gonna do all this on the camera. So, you know what? I think when I get my next batch of towels, I think I'm just gonna do black and white. I like this black. I used to have all black, but they would fade so fast. I need to find a brand of black towels that don't fade fast. So, but I like how the all black towel looks. And when we first moved here, I had all gray and what else did I have? Gray and tan. But with Tay being a mechanic, that is real hard to keep my tan towels clean. And I was trying to do the all white as well, but of course that didn't work. But the only thing I like about the white is you can use so much bleach, and I love bleach. Like there's nothing like using a fresh bath towel with the smell of bleach. I don't know, that's just me, but I love bleach. So that's why I'd opted for the white towel, but like I said, it's hard. But he likes to have the white towel, so of course he uses them as sweat rags and hand rags. But I think what I'm gonna do is all these towels that I have around here now, I think I'm gonna get a tote, like all these. right here, all these mismatch color, because I know Kennedy wanted pink, Convoy, he really don't care which one he uses, but she wanted pink. But I think I'm gonna take all those towels and I'm going to either put them in a crate so that he can just use those for when he is fixing on cars and stuff like that. Or as he's walking out the door, because he does security, he can just grab some towels from his tote and leave my good towels alone. I think that's what I'm gonna do. So I'm gonna end up taking all those towels out and repurchasing all new towels. So I think I'm gonna get black, white, and the cream or off-white color. Uva Stalk in, and stuff is getting ready to be everywhere. So I'm gonna have to end up re-vacuuming. So hang on, I'll be back. I'm gonna go outside real quick. Look at this stuff. All right, y'all. So here's the little grasses that I got the other day, and they were $29.99. Now, let me put you guys up on a tripod because I don't actually know what I'm getting ready to do. I have 2 of these. So I have 2 of these. I always use these to make my arrangements during the holidays, and I normally like kind of interchange them or change them out whenever I use them. So I have that. And then I also have this. So I have that, okay? And I don't know, let me just see what I'm gonna do. And see, I'm gonna have to end up re-vacuuming because this stuff here it sheds a lot. So, well, I know that does. But this one doesn't seem to be shedding at the moment. So I have, I'm gonna go ahead and open. Actually, no, I'm not. Let me see how I'm gonna do this. So I have some green floral foam at the bottom of this. So I don't know if I'm gonna go in and just go ahead. No, that don't look right. Now I also have another vase in the bathroom that if I do use it, I was gonna spray paint it black and sit it behind the couch. But I guess if I'm gonna spray paint it, I guess you don't really need to spray paint if it's going behind the couch. So I don't quite know how I'm gonna position these right now. So let's just see what they look like. And I've seen a lot of girls, they spray these with hairspray. Ooh, y'all, now I see why. Period poo. This stuff is everywhere. Okay, these are pretty though. So, so I think only 3 is gonna fit in here. No, it's only one. Only one will fit in that. So see, this is what this looks like. There, or I can just place those in here. Cause like I said, it's gonna go behind the couch either way. So you won't see. Yeah, I'm gonna have to, oh my God, y'all. This stuff is a mess. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put these in here until I get another vase. Since I'm not using this one right now. Let me see if I have another one. Hang on. Actually, I'll bring you guys with me so you can see what I'm doing. All right, so this is my little hall closet where I keep all of my supplies, decoration. If you can see that. Let me put this Pampers up. I'm putting this stuff back. Ugh. Y'all, if y'all get this stuff, y'all need to be careful because I tell y'all this stuff is everywhere. I mean everywhere. Now where did this come from? I had some in here already. What the? Y'all. I already had some Pampers. I don't even know where this came from. Okay, anyway. Yeah, I have 3. I guess I had bought this before. Somewhere. Child. I'll probably end up putting this in the bathroom. Right here in this bathroom. Maybe. I don't know. But I need to go hunting for a vase. So, I don't have... And see, I have everything in here kind of organized. And I do not want to take this stuff down. You know what? It's getting ready to be fall and stuff like that. And I'm going to have to end up taking this stuff out anyway because I have to pull out my flowers and all my other decorations and stuff like that. Now I have to vacuum back here. Yeah. Okay. So I got all kind of stuff in here. Okay. Forget about it. I don't have a taller vase back here. So I think, okay, we won't do that. I'm gonna go ahead and open this other Pampas, or not Pampas. I'm gonna open this one, but I'm gonna open it on the front porch though. Okay, y'all. I really wish that I could actually, they won't fit in here, the stems are too thick. So, as y'all can see, I kept these 3 kind of bound together with the little rubber band that was here. So I'm gonna stick this one in the middle. And I'm definitely gonna have to get another vase, y'all, because I'm gonna need this white one. I thought I was recording, but I wasn't. So what I was just talking about was trying to figure out how to keep these kind of together as one little piece, or not one piece, but just keep them together, bunched together. So I used the bread tie that came on these, and I just tied them in a bunch at the bottom. So I don't know if y'all can see that right there. It's a little bread tie right here at the bottom. But yeah, I don't really like this vase for these, but I don't have anything else right now. So I'm just gonna use this, period. Okay, y'all, I got a mess in here, so let me scoop this down and get this little bush back here. I don't even know if I want this back here. Oh. No, I don't think I want that right there. I don't know. Yeah, I do. Hold on. Let me just put this back here. So, you can't even see it back there. You can't even see it. Oh, that's not cute. Okay, so I'm taking that, scratch that. I think I'll probably just end up putting it right over here. And as you can see, I didn't think this through. Let's see here. Yeah, I'll just do that. So that's easier for me right now. And I definitely need to get my switch bot working again. Y'all can see I started attaching the solar panel, but I never finished attaching the solar panel to the actual curtain because I wasn't sure if I wanted to do that to ruin my curtain, because that little panel is heavy. It's thin, but it's heavy for the material that I have, but I don't think it'll ruin it. So, this is cute, y'all, but it is messy. I may go get those other little 3 pieces at the closet and stick those in here too. Yeah, I think I'm gonna do that. Okay, so that's cute. Let me get the other pieces. And y'all, I was having issues with my battery, so that's why I got these little weird clips on this video. Here's some little small pieces. I think I got this from Hobby Lobby too, but I got this a long time ago. These little thin, scraggly pieces. So I'll just put these on the, this right here, like that. And I'm late on this little trend, but like, I'm not really late, but like I said, I've had some of that, but, so I had it off of this once upon a time, and I actually need to clean this. It's real dusty. And I actually got this, guys, from, it originally came from Pier 1. This was $70, but I found this at the Goodwill, I think for like $12, $12.99 or something like that. So yeah, y'all, I think I'm gonna just leave it like that. Yeah. So we'll do that. How about that? I like that. Okay. So now I need to move my table back.